Hello everyone, welcome back to our Freshers Now YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about IIT Kanpur recruitment 2022 to 2023. Before going to the video, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and be a part of our YouTube family. Let's see the overview of IIT Kanpur recruitment. The organization is Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, for the post Assistant Executive Engineer, Assistant Registrar, Medical Officer, Junior Engineer, Junior Technical Superintendent, Physical Training Instructor, Staff Nurse and Junior Technician. Total 131 post vacancies has been released in this notification and the application date has already started and it will be closed by 9th January 2023 and you can apply online. The job location is Uttar Pradesh. The selection process will be based on written test or a seminar or presentation followed by interview or skill test. For any references, you can go through this official website iitk.ac.in. Let's see the vacancies. There are 4 vacancies for Assistant Executive Engineer post and 4 vacancies for Assistant Registrar, 3 vacancies for Medical Officer, 10 vacancies for Junior Engineer, 4 vacancies for Junior Technical Superintendent, 2 vacancies for Physical Training Instructor, 4 vacancies for Staff Nurse and 100 vacancies for Junior Technician. So total 131 post vacancies. Coming to the qualifications and experience, for the post Assistant Executive Engineer, you should have bachelor's degree in civil engineering or electrical engineering with at least 3 years of experience. For Assistant Registrar post, you should have master's degree in library science with 55% of marks or its equivalent grade of B on the UGC 7-point scale along with a consistently good academic record. And for the Medical Officer post, you should have MBBS including completion of a compulsory rotating internship followed by at least 3 years of experience in a recognized hospital, or you may have post-graduation diploma in an appropriate branch of medicine plus at least 1 year experience in a recognized hospital, or MD or MS in an appropriate branch of medicine. For Junior Engineer post, you should have bachelor's degree in civil engineering or mechanical engineering with at least 1 year of experience, or you may have diploma in civil engineering, mechanical engineering with 3 years of experience. For Junior Technical Superintendent post, you should have MSc or BTech or BE in agricultural engineering or civil, bioengineering, biotechnology, environmental engineering or BSc agriculture or biology, botany, environmental science, chemistry or chemical engineering, civil engineering, environmental engineering with 2 years of relevant experience, or you may have BSc in chemistry, environmental science with 2 years of relevant experience, or you may have BE, BTech with first division in mechanical engineering with 2 years relevant experience, or you may also have diploma with first division in mechanical engineering of 3 years duration with 3 years of relevant experience. For Physical Training Instructor, you should have bachelor's degree in physical education with diploma in coaching from reputed institutions such as NIIS Patiala, NSSC Bangalore, NSEC Kolkata, LNCPE Thiruvananthapuram, and post-bachelor's degree 4 years relevant coaching experience, or you may also have master's degree in physical education 2 years course with post-master's degree and 4 years of relevant coaching experience. And for Staff Nurse post, you may have intermediate or 10+2 or equivalent and must have passed the examination held by the Nursing Council with 3 years of course in general nursing and midwifery. For Junior Technician post, you should have bachelor's degree in civil engineering or chemistry or applied chemistry, chemical engineering, computer science engineering, information technology or biology or life sciences, physics, applied physics and others, or you may also have diploma of a minimum 3 years duration in civil engineering or computer science engineering or allied fields from a recognized institute or university. Let's see the salary details. For the Assistant Executive Engineering and Assistant Registrar and Medical Officer post, the salary will be based on level 10, that is 56,100 to 1,77,500, and for the post Junior Engineer, Junior Technical Superintendent and Physical Training Instructor, the salary will be based on level 6, that is 35,400 to 1,12,400, and for the Junior Technician post, the salary will be based on level 3, that is 21,700 to 69,100. Let's see the age limit for this recruitment. For the assistant executive engineer and assistant register and medical officer post, you should between 21 to 45 years. And for junior engineer, junior technical superintendent, physical training instructor and staff nurse, you must be between 21 to 35 years. And for junior technician post, you should be between 21 to 30 years. Coming to the selection process, there will be written test or a seminar or a presentation to an expert panel followed by a personal interview for the shortlisted candidates for the assistant executive engineering and assistant registrar post. There will be interview for medical officer post and written test and skill test or job oriented practical test and any other mode of selection as per the rules for junior engineer, junior technical superintendent, physical training instructor, staff nurse and junior technician post. Coming to the application fee, 1000 rupees for all other categories except SC and ST and PWD and female. For the assistant executive engineer, assistant register and medical officer, junior engineer post, and 500 rupees for SC and ST applicants, and there is no fee for PWD and female candidates. And for junior technical superintendent, physical training instructor, staff nurse and junior technician post, the application fee is 700 and there is no fee for SC, ST, PWD and female candidates. This is all about the recruitment notification of IIT Kanpur. If you want to download the official notification, we had provided the link in the description. You can go through it. Hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.